In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a case fan. But before we start, you need to make sure you have the right size fan and the screwdriver. So first, what you want to do is unscrew any screws in the side panel. Next, you got to find where the fan will go.
Get double 1080 and be better. But yeah, I know. The 1080 get quad 1080. The quad 1080
and once you got your fan, make sure it lines up with the holes on the side of the case.
The 1080 is less. Yeah, so that'd be 1200. Plus you have, then you have 3800.
After you lined up the holes, you're going to want to screw in the fan, as I've done already. When everything is screwed in, make sure it's nice and secure in there. Then you're going to want to connect it to the motherboard.
Look at the R96. Like literally a potato.
Now once it's connected, you can slide back on the side panel.
I think it was like, this is my potato. That's what
Make sure the side panel is back on. And re-screw it in and secure the side panel. Well, that's how you install a case fan.